Off the fence, understanding a common English phrase. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore the phrase, off the fence. This expression is commonly used in English, and understanding it can really help in everyday conversations. Let's dive in and find out what it means and how to use it. Off the fence is an idiomatic expression that means making a decision after being undecided or neutral. Imagine sitting on a fence, not going to either side. When you get off the fence, you're essentially choosing a side or making up your mind. To better understand this phrase, let's look at some examples. 1. After weeks of deliberation, I finally got off the fence and chose a college. 2. We need you to get off the fence and give a clear opinion on this matter. These examples show how the phrase is used to describe someone who has moved from a state of indecision to making a definite choice. The phrase likely originates from the literal action of sitting on a fence, which represents indecision or neutrality. Getting off the fence signifies moving from a state of balance or neutrality to a specific position or choice. It's important not to confuse off the fence with being disagreeable or argumentative. It simply refers to the act of making a decision. It doesn't imply anything about the nature of the decision or the person making it. Use it when talking about decisions and opinions. Remember, it's a neutral phrase and doesn't carry negative connotations. It's more commonly used in informal settings. That's it for today's lesson on the phrase, off the fence. I hope this explanation helps you understand and use this phrase more confidently in your English conversations. Keep practicing, and see you in the next video.